Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. I've got a great idea, so come right back. You may like it. Okay, here's the idea. Since I can't do live streams because my service is not strong enough, how about I do a premiere? Let me explain what a premiere is. I am going to create a very long video, probably an hour long. I've probably got enough footage of just sunrises and sunsets. I'll put some music to it. This way, we could do a live chat while it's playing. I'm going to try and schedule one for between 45 minutes to an hour in doing the editing. I'm going to try and schedule it for, let's see, is it this coming Sunday? Maybe, if we're down in the hole, which is back down in Baton Rouge. That's where the better service was at. I will let you guys know in advance, but I can't give you too much advance notice. You'll notice because I will set it for 24 hours in advance if I can. If for any reason I don't have service during the time that premiere is set to go off, I will cancel that premiere and to reschedule it for when I got better service. Are you guys all in agreement of this? I miss you all. I miss talking with every one of you. And I know you all have lots of questions. So I'm going to try and schedule 45 minutes to an hour. Now remember, I'm not going to be talking back in the camera to you. So when you ask your questions, I'm going to be typing to answer them. If I missed your question, please hold off and I will say, okay, did I miss anybody's question? Please type it again and I will answer you that way. I have a lot of you. I'm hoping my moderators can help me out and just make a list of the questions, copy and paste them to me in the chat, and I'll answer everything that I can, and we can discuss other things of what's all going on here in the boat. So I'm asking y'all, what do you think? The reason why I want to do it on a Sunday is because I don't work Sunday at supper time, and it can give me more time before I have to go to bed. So it will probably be scheduled like around 4:30, 5 p.m. Central Time. I know there's other people that are having other live streams on Sunday night at 6 p.m. Central Time, and that's fine. But being that I haven't talked to you guys in a long while, I really hope to see every one of you there. And let's try and get this done. So what say you all? Sounds good? Again, I miss you all. I thank you all for supporting me while I'm out here in watching my videos. I do have other outdoor videos that's going to be coming out soon. I'm waiting for more tow work to be done to add to it. I even got some big ships flying on the river. I'm going to say flying on the river due to the fact because I got to speed up the video, because if not, they're really not flying in the river, and it takes a while for them to come all the way up. But yeah, I've got some nice video on that too. So if you guys are interested in me doing something like that, it's not going to be something majorly interesting on this premiere, just other than sunsets and sunrises. So hope you all are in agreement with it. Let me know down in the comments. I'm giving you at least 1 week. Hopefully it's going to be a week. It's going to be a week from this coming Sunday, which is, hold on, let me look. Be right back. Okay, I just look at the calendar. It'll either be the 19th or the 26th. So, you guys in agreement with that? If you don't see me on the 19th, then we're definitely going to try for the 26th. Alright? I hope to see you all there, and I hope you all are going to go for it. Alright. So leave your comment below and give that thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button and that little bell for future notifications of my videos. Alright people, hopefully to see you then. Bye bye.